Hi, just want to do a quick tutorial on how to change the fuses on the Harbor Freight Jupiter Pure 2000 watt pure sine inverter. I needed a better inverter when I was dry camping Memorial Day weekend 2025, and so it's kind of an impulse. I went and bought this, and I was a little uncertain if it had replaceable fuses or not, and fortunately it does. So I'm going to show you really quickly how that works. So anyways, as far as the housing goes, it's just basically four pieces. You got the front piece, the back piece, there's the bottom base, which everything's mounted to, and then there's the upper part. The back part doesn't come off because the bus bars are bolted or screwed into bus bars inside. So the quickest way to do this is to remove the four screws at the top corner each side, and then on this side you'll be able to lift up the housing. Pardon the camera work here. Actually, I should have used a tripod. Anyways, you can just lift that up, and here you'll find 8 40 amp fuses, and they're all socketed so they can be easily replaced. So again, very simple to get at the fuses on this. They're going to be on the left side of the unit as you're looking at the front. 4 screws each top corner. Take those out, lift up the top part. There's a wire, some wires going to a daughter board that's fastened to the top part of the enclosure, so you can't lift it all the way up, but you can just lift up enough and then get yourself a fuse clip or something like that, and then you can pull these fuses up and out. Anyways, sorry for rambling, and hopefully this helps someone. Thanks a lot.